Today we will be learning how to make garden vegetable soup. Before we cook, it is important to make sure that our hands are washed and the surfaces we will be working on are clean. As you can see, all of the ingredients we will need are shown in this picture. We will be going through each ingredient separately as well as the tools needed to complete this recipe in the following slides. So the tools we will need include a large skillet, a cut glove, a knife, a cutting board, a teaspoon measuring spoon, a half a teaspoon measuring spoon, a tablespoon measuring spoon, a can opener, as well as a wooden spoon for stirring. So first we will need 2 tablespoons of olive oil to grease our skillet before we begin cooking. Next we will need 1 onion that is diced small. The next several steps require the use of a knife, so make sure to wear cut gloves or ask for assistance during these steps. We will then need 3 carrots that are also diced small. We want to make sure that we wash our vegetables before preparation. Again, make sure to use a cut glove or ask for assistance during this step. After that, we will need 3 stalks of celery diced small. Make sure to use cut gloves or ask for assistance during this step. Next, we will need 4 cloves of garlic that are minced. Cut gloves or assistance are strongly recommended during this step. Then we will need 8 ounces of mushrooms diced small. Continue to wear cut gloves or ask for assistance. After that, we will need 2 bell peppers that are any color diced small. Cut gloves or assistance are still needed during this step. Next, we will need our seasonings. So first we will need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of basil, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and after our seasonings, we will need half a bag of frozen spinach. Next, we will need 2 15-ounce cans of white beans that have been drained and rinsed. Use caution or ask for assistance when opening the cans, as the can opener as well as the can itself can be sharp. After that, we will need 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Again, use caution or ask for assistance when opening the can. We will then need 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, using caution or asking for assistance when opening the can. Using the same can, we will need 28 ounces of water. Next, we will need half a pound, which is about 2 cups of dry, small elbow macaroni. And the last thing we will need is 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. After all of our ingredients are prepped, we will begin cooking. First, we will heat oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Make sure to have a big enough skillet, as all of our ingredients will be added in eventually. Add the onions, carrots, and celery and saute for about 5 minutes until the vegetables begin to soften slightly. Next, add the garlic and stir for about 30 seconds more. After that, we will stir in the mushrooms and peppers and saute for another 5 minutes. Then we will sprinkle in the salt, the pepper, basil, oregano, and red pepper flakes and stir to combine with the vegetables. Next, we will add the spinach and stir for 2 minutes just until it begins to thaw. After that, we will add the beans, the diced tomatoes, the crushed tomatoes, the water, the macaroni, and the apple cider vinegar. Stir to combine all of the ingredients together. After that, we will then bring the liquid to a boil and then reduce the heat to medium-low, being cautious as the skillet is hot, covering the skillet and simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes. Stir once or twice to prevent sticking and until the pasta is cooked to desired consistency. Lastly, enjoy hot or refrigerate the leftovers in an airtight container for up to 1 week or freeze and reheat. And that is how we make our garden vegetable soup.